Hi, my name is Juan and I'm a park ranger for Cosumnes CSD, and I wanted to share something with you today. Elk Grove Park Lake is home to a wide variety of ducks, geese, and other waterfowl. These animals are enjoyed by thousands of park visitors every year, and many people bring food to feed them. But unfortunately, this simple pastime is actually very bad for the birds. Human foods such as bread, chips, cereal, and crackers lack the nutrients birds need to stay healthy and can lead to serious health conditions. Birds that routinely eat human foods can develop a deformity known as angel wing and lose their ability to fly. There are a few other ways you can enjoy birds without feeding them. You could sketch them, paint them, take pictures of them. You can even document your observations in a bird watching journal. Remember to be kind and don't feed the ducks and geese. Please visit yourcsd.com/wildlife for more information.